morning, everyone. This is Ben from GAP DCC UPT4 TV. So today is a big day for GAP Dare City Center because we are going to launch the UPT4 TV. So now let's check the latest happening with Chen. Over to you, Chen.
Hi everyone, welcome to GAP DCC UPT4 TV. Everyone, it's okay to So let's see what's happening today. We actually just moved the UPT TV in our store, and you can see all the energy of the team. Let's hear from the staff what's going and how they feel. Okay, Mr. Eric, how do you feel about the lunch?
We are very excited for this UPT4 for this great ideas. Woo! We are really very excited on GAP-DCC and we are going to...
Let's start for the day, Tara. Had the Gregory Green transaction is for 2,842. How many units, Tara, do you have? 60 units.
Oh my God!
She's the person for today. A round of applause for Tara. Okay, so that's all for today. Just
Thank you.
keep sad today. And see you again in GAP-DCC UPT for
Thank you, Chen. Wow, seems the guys are really enjoying the launching of UPT4 TV. And they're all excited to increase their unit per transaction compared to last year. So for more updates guys about our UPT, visit Entire Retail Team Facebook account. Once again, this is Ben from GAP DCC UPT4 TV.